I was aware of Tartaria and the mud flood before I ever really started talking about it. I was fascinated by it, but I really didn't know where to place that. Because, yeah, you're right. It's like, what am I supposed to do with this? So in the view of the Little Season, it actually does make sense. So that's why I kind of researched it more, because this is evidence of a lie, at least, or a cover-up. So, but why? So the Little Season kind of gives you the answer to why, is because there was a better time than this in our past. Like, how far back in our past? I mean, that's kind of anybody's best guess, but to me, it's after the times of Jesus. So if Jesus kept his word and said that he was coming back in their generation, well, this could be maybe evidence of this millennial reign. This could be evidence of this 1,000 years that was better than the times we're living in today.
Obviously, times of plenty, at least from what you could look at that existed, right?
Yes, right.
Conveniently, so much of the history is just gone.